Hey I want to learn something new about rain formation.
How do clouds make the rain fall down? Have you ever wondered where raindrops come from? Clouds are like giant sponges in the sky, filled with tiny bits of water. When these tiny bits bump into each other and get big and heavy, they fall down as rain. The word vapor means that's water that you can't see in the air. Water from lakes and oceans goes up into the air as water vapor. This water vapor cools down in the sky and forms tiny water droplets or ice crystals in clouds. When these tiny droplets bump together, they get bigger. When the water droplets get too heavy, they fall out of the cloud as rain. Sometimes, if it's very cold in the cloud, the water freezes and falls as snow or hail. Did you like learning about rain formation? Ask a grown-up to help you comment and tell us what you want to learn next. Let's learn something new.